The universe covered with 71% of water and the most vital source for the living things that needed to be consumed in their daily lives. They received their water requirement from rivers and dams. However, these surface sources are also served as a suitable sinks for the discharge of domestic and industrial waste. Hence, this is how the wastewater produced and contains some compositions such as organic and inorganic matters in the form of toxic heavy metals. This can be distinguished from other toxic pollutants since they are non-biodegradable and can accumulate in living tissues and can cause chronic arsenic toxicity, thus becoming concentrated throughout the food chain. Hence, the hazard pollutants in wastewater should be removed before consumed by living organisms. The novelty of this project is non-chemically modified MUSA ACUMINATA, which is banana peel, and GLYCINE max hull, which is soybean hull, as flocculating agents in wastewater to remove the pollutants such as carbonyl, suitable solids, and organic matter degradation.
There are three objectives of this project. First, to study the pretreatment of banana peels and soybean hull as flocculating agents. Second, to observe the flocculation by flocculating agents in the wastewater through the sedimentation process. And third, to analyze the removal of pollutants in wastewater using UV spectroscopy.
Firstly, the preparation of flocculating agents were done by pre-treated the banana peels and soybean hull such as washed, dried, and grinded into powder form. The mixture of powdered flocculating agents were measured 0.3 gram with different ratios into banana peel ratio soybean hull such as 1:1, 1:2, and 2:1. Then, all the three beakers were filled with 100 ml of wastewater. Next, the measured flocculating agents were mixed and stirred using spatula into the beakers respectively. The magnetic stirrers were inserted into the beakers to aid the flocculation process. Then, the beakers were placed on the hot plate and flocculation were occurred in room temperature with constant under 50 rpm for 30 minutes. The solutions were left for 60 minutes for sedimentation and then filtered the solutions using Whatman filter papers. The treated solutions and untreated wastewater were analyzed using UV-based reading to observe and ensure the removal of pollutants such as carbonyl, suitable solids, and organic matter degradation. Hence, the absorbents were set into 220 nm, 320 nm, and 240 nm for carbonyl, suitable solids, and organic matter degradation respectively. Finally, the analyzed results were recorded and took the average results.
Hence, how these flocculating agents work. The ion charge of banana peels and soybean hull, which is anionic, are responsible to the removal of pollutants in wastewater. It will flocculate to the positive charged pollutant such as suitable solid. Then, they will bind the sediment in the lower layer of wastewater. During the filtration process, the pollutants will suspend in the filter paper.
Due to these flocculating agents are from food waste, there is no spending of money. Furthermore, there are non-chemically modified flocculating agents in non-conventional method. Hence, it is fully environmental friendly product. In current wastewater treatment, alum is used as coagulant, which its larger dosage level may give side effects such as burning in the mouth and throat whenever consumed by a living organism, and its cost is expensive. Hence, these flocculating agents from food waste have great potential in wastewater treatment due to its abundant and low cost. This non-conventional method is good alternative compared to current method in upcoming generations to nurture a greener environment. These non-chemically modified and environmental friendly flocculating agents can be safely used in wastewater treatment plants to remove the pollutants and can be consumed by living organisms. Moreover, compared to current coagulant, which is alum, these flocculating agents will be used in few amount in wastewater treatment plant and it will give huge of benefits in the end. These flocculating agents from food waste in wastewater treatment is sustainable strategy to minimize the environmental footprint of both waste types. In conclusion, the objectives of this project were achieved. Banana peels and soybean hulls, which that create a generous amount of waste, have the potential to function as flocculating agents. These help to reduce the health and environmental concerns on chemical coagulants. The uses of renewable sources of low-cost agricultural or household waste, which might require little processing to produce flocculating agents, is considered as a better choice. Through this project, hope that the potential of these flocculating agents in removing the pollutants wastewater to make it widely accepted as the new wastewater treatment plan.